So this is the US oil analysis for Thursday, the 15th of March. Now, let's just have a look what happened prices, where prices may likely go. So previously, we've had prices come down towards this 60.25, from which we did see buy side momentum come back into the market. And again, we've had another test of the 60.25, and again, we did see buy side momentum return to the market. Now, we did have prices stall here in around at 61.20 or so, and we did retest the 60.25, traded slightly below it. We didn't quite get down towards that $60 barrel mark, from which we did see immediate buy side momentum return to this market, and we traded back above the 61 level. Now, here on the US oil, we've had a high, lower high. We do appear to be putting in lower highs at the moment, heading in towards that $60 barrel mark, suggesting that there may be some degree of bearishness or hanging. Seeing prices turn around here in around that to further sell side continuation to the downside. We'll see if we do get a reaction in around that 60.63. It is a level from here where we did see the buy side momentum return to the market. So we'll see whether 60.63 holds. If we do get, well, if we see this continuation of this breakdown, we'll see whether 60.63 holds, a break from which we are looking for price head down towards that 60.25, which previously acted as support. And if we are successful in breaking below the 60.25, the likely psychological level of the $60 barrel mark should come into focus. A break from which we are looking for prices to head down towards the 59.31. The very next level to the downside, if we are able to break from this the likely psychological level of the $60 a barrel mark. Wouldn't anticipate prices moving much below the 59.31, but if we did move beyond 59.31, 59 would be what I'd expect to be the far end of the range here on the US oil. If, however, we do find support at the 60.63, in around that 60.63, or if we continue to if we hold support at the 60.63 or 60.25, we are looking for a move back up towards our, just bear with me a second here. We are looking for a move back towards our most recent highs here in the markets, and our most recent highs are currently in around that 61.30. So if we can post a higher low, so our lows are here, if we can post a higher low, we're looking for a move back up towards that 61.30, successful break from which we're looking for price it up towards that 61.48, where we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of potentially seeing sell side momentum back down towards levels of support previously identified. If we are successful in our navigation of the 61.48 with the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, we are looking for price head up towards that 400 period moving average, which acted as resistance here in the past, currently sitting in around that 61.80. Now, with that said, that pretty much wraps up where we'd think the XAU USD may head. Trading much beyond, say, the 61.80. I'd expect 61.80 to be the far end of the range here to the I'd expect 61.80 to be the far end of the range here to the upside, but if we were able to successfully navigate, if we did have sufficient market volatility, wouldn't think we would, but if we did, the very next level that we are looking at is in around that 62.32, our most recent swing high in the market, before looking at the major level of the 62.54. And yeah, with that said, that pretty much covers everything here on the US oil. We'll just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping it all up here, just to see how prices are developing. As we can see here on US oil, there appears to be a degree of bearishness. We have our highs here. We appear to be having a lower high market is trending to the downside. We are finding support around at 60-25, but the overall trend does appear to be to the downside. And yeah, thanks for watching.